Hi. Okay, I did some um, testing before this video. Hopefully this, boy, hopefully this volume is okay. For the music, my last video was a bit, music was a bit loud. Okay, so I'm actually really tired, but I made a commitment to myself, so I'm gonna keep it. Um, Market outlook for the next week. What I'm looking at, the trades I'm hoping to get into. I'm not gonna do it today, but I'm thinking about combining Nick Sean ideas and my ideas. So, but for today, I'm just gonna uh, focus on my ideas. So let's get into it. So starting from AUD USD, let's do a top-down analysis. This looks really interesting. So there's a high probability that there's gonna be some kind of a bounce. Even take this daily level right here, for example. It didn't quite fell, but there was a definite bounce, right? It came back to the daily level. So there's definitely gonna be some kind of a bounce. So what I will be doing, I won't be entering just because there's a daily level. I'm hoping to see some kind of a consolidation. Actually, looking how Nick Sean trades and looking at this last video, man, I don't know. I'm actually thinking about dropping Divergence, but I'm not gonna do it just yet. I'm still gonna pursue it a little bit more because I know it works. Uh, I think I need to combine the Divergence with um, like really significant levels, like daily levels and stuff like that. Because I've been looking at H1 levels and I don't know, they work, but um, I don't know, they don't work for me. Anyway, I'm kind of looking at. I'm not gonna enter just off the bat. I'm kind of looking to see some kind of consolidation and then maybe a small divergence somewhere. So probably on H1. So, but UDUSD is definitely gonna be on my watch list. Definitely gonna be on my watch list. So let's mark it up. AUD CAD. Um, Actually, that's a good idea. Not even to look further if there's not a daily level, right? There's no there's no daily level here. I mean, H4, this could be a zone, or I don't know, this could be a zone. So they're pretty much all, or I don't know, this could be a zone, or this, or this. Like, there's way too much small levels to identify a significant daily level. Like, I mean, daily level. So this is a daily level here, probably. Or this is like more like a daily level. I mean, I don't know. It's a bit too weird. I'm gonna probably gonna keep off trading this pair right here. So this was a daily level here, right? I mean, that's pretty significant. There was a small test here, but I mean, this would have been a good bounce. And Yeah, there was actually a hidden divergence here. So look, bang, bang, and bang, bang, right, on H4. So this would have been a good sell-off, right? Nice, nice, nice. But for the time being, I don't see anything good. When price comes down here, then I will be looking for buys. Probably not all the way up here, but somewhere I'll close somewhere if there's something. So daily. So this was a good level here, right? So the next level I will be looking at is somewhere here. So won't be doing anything until price gets there. Could be like somewhere like Wednesday, I think. So CAD CHF on the daily. Man, that was a nice fell, right? Okay, so on the daily, it's at a pretty good zone. I mean, come on, right? There's a resistance here, break and retest, bounce, 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 bounce. So, and if you look at the daily, I mean, pretty hard not to see that, right? So, I'm actually anticipating it's gonna break because it's bounced from this level, right? Like one, two, three, four times already. So it's unlikely it's gonna bounce again. So I'm actually looking for sells, to be honest, because it looks like price has broken it already, right? And maybe we'll get a small break and retest. It's probably gonna be a small break and retest, like it's gonna do something like this, I think. Boom, boom, boom. Then it's gonna go way down, and then it will come back up again. So I will be looking for a small break and retest at any of these. It's probably the latest low, probably on H1. So yeah, definitely we'll be looking at this for the break and retest. I will be waking up at 4:45 tomorrow. I'm, I'm gonna go to practice, to the gym. So hopefully the break and retest will already be there. Probably there won't probably be a divergence on such a small move, but the break and retest is gonna be fine, I think. So I'm still in the straight. So here NZD, looking at the looking at the daily. Um, that's also a daily zone, right? But the M pattern hasn't quite played out yet, so I'm thinking it's gonna fall over there also, making like also kind of a. I think it's gonna go down here, then go back up here, and then go back down, something like this. I think something like this might happen. So it is a daily zone here, but I don't think it's gonna hold. I mean, this here has much more like weight on it, so we'll see. I won't be buying here. Anyway, I won't be buying because there's no divergence right now. So CHF JPY. Okay, so price was over here when I anticipated, was hoping the price might come back up here again, because I don't you look at the I don't know, I don't remember what it's called. I'm really tired. What's it called? Fibonacci. I don't look at the Fibonacci too often, but right now it looks like a 382 level, right? Anyway, whatever. Price was over here when I was waiting for price to come back up here again and then sell, but now it has come up again here. There's a divergence. There was a divergence before, but now there's not. So okay. Uh, yeah, I won't be taking this sell. No. Uh, but I do think price is gonna drop here. So when price comes back down here, because this level hasn't been really, properly tested yet. So when price comes back down here, I mean, there's an H1 level in a downtrend, right? Break and retest, kind of. I mean, it would be really cool to catch that down move, right? But it's not a daily level. It's an H1 level, so you know what? I'm not gonna take it. I'm thinking it's gonna go down, but well, let's see. But I'm gonna refrain from this. I'm not gonna take it. So that's that. Uh, Euro USD. I mean, hmm. It's not quite there yet. It's not quite there yet. So I'm gonna wait. Nothing I'm gonna do right now. Euro AUD. It is a daily level, right? So on H4, there was quite a kind of a liquidity spike. So yeah, it is a daily level. So unless we get a good look in H1 or H4 divergence, I'm gonna mark it up, but I'm gonna need a really clear divergence. Right now I don't see anything. But I'm still in this buy right now. It's probably gonna stop out. Huge probability for that. So that's that. I'm still in this trade. It's kind of a daily break and retest. Right. EuroCAD. Okay, almost halfway through. EuroCAD. It is a daily and weekly. Weekly? I don't know. Weekly. Weekly, I would look for more ups, but it is a daily level, right? Kind of. So, but I don't have a good divergence. Oh, there's a good divergence here. Okay, so kind of, right? Let's see what it does. It's a divergence forming on H1. Not quite there yet. If we get a divergence here and a small W like that, 2 weeks or something like that, then it's perfect sell for me. Let's keep an eye on that. Euro CHF. Euro CHF. it's not anywhere significant at a significant level anywhere, so I'm gonna keep my keep my hands off trading that. Euro GBP, don't know what's that doing. No significant level from me. It is a head and shoulders on H4, right? So unless we get a move back up here that will form a good divergence, I'm gonna refrain from trading that. Not gonna mark it up. Euro JPY. It's at a daily level, but it's breaking past that pretty significantly. So I don't see any good divergences. So this is more likely a break and retest to the downside, but I don't like the price action on H1. There's no clear levels for me to trade off from. Maybe this is a level here, kind of. I don't know. I don't like the price action. So moving on. Uh, kind of, but no, I don't see anything. If anything, I'm gonna wait for price to come back here for break and retest at this level here. So let's see. Price will come back up here and then go up. So if it does that, then we'll see. GBP AUD. Kind of looks like a buy, right? But at that point, I would need like a good divergence. I don't see anything right here, right now. It was here, right? But that move has already happened, I think. Uh, yeah, I don't see anything right now. Uh, yeah. Same thing here. I know Nick Sean is looking to trade sells from here, from this level. So if price comes to this level here and then sell, could be a good idea. Keep an eye on that. GBP CAD, don't see any good levels here. I thought about taking a sell here. Glad I didn't. I didn't take this buy here either. So, but this would have been a good idea. But yeah, you never know. So this is kind of ranging, like, so there's no clear market structure. Uh, yeah, so it is kind of looks like a head and shoulders on H4, and it has come to the last high of the left shoulders. So I would need like a pretty significant, pretty decent divergence to trade from here, and there kind of is actually. But more often than not, these kind of setups don't work. So let's see. I'm gonna mark this up. Price was over here. I think it's gonna do something like this. So I'm not gonna take this trade, but let's see. GBP CHF. Don't see any clear levels. Uh, Kind of a head and shoulders to me, looks like, again, right? And thought about taking a sell from here, but I didn't, and It's too late now. So, but I think it's gonna go down because of the head and shoulders pattern. But I don't have any clear kind of break retest maybe. But I don't see my price action that I'm looking for, so I'm not gonna do anything about it. GJ, 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 GJ. Again, a lot of head and shoulders patterns, and I mean, if there's a like, mm, okay, no, price action isn't what I'm looking for. If it makes this like comes here, then does an M, and there's a divergence here somewhere, then I'll take it. But right now, doesn't look anything that I'm looking to trade. But this looks interesting, just like the AUD USD. I'm gonna mark this up. So looking for same things. 2 weeks, a divergence, something like that. I know Mick is probably gonna just enter a sell there. I think there's gonna be definitely some kind of a bounce. So if you just enter a sell and don't look for any significant like um, just enter a sell, close when you're in like one to two risk reward, or one to one maybe, then yeah, I think it's gonna work. So but that's not the way I trade, at least for the moment. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm looking for divergences, but I'm gonna keep my eye on that. NZD CAD, no level to trade from. So level I would be looking at is somewhere here. So if it comes there, we'll talk. NZD-CHF. So price is at a daily level, in my opinion. A little more like an H4 level actually. And price was over here when I anticipated it's gonna come back down and then go up. The divergence I was looking for didn't happen, so but this is an H4, so we still might get something. We'll see, we'll see. But I think it's gonna go up, or maybe not, because NZD USD is gonna go down. So maybe this is gonna create a break and retest over here. Either way, so if there's a break and retest here and it does something like this, I'll enter a sell here. Something like this, maybe one or two, one or three, something like this. But not gonna mark it up right now. So NZD-JPY, there's no daily level here for me. So the next level I will be looking, I don't know. This is the next level I will be looking at. Yeah. When price comes down here, we'll talk. USD CAD on the daily. I'm gonna wait for it to come a bit lower, and then we'll see. Keep an eye on that. If it does a W, 2 weeks divergence, something like that, then I will be entering a buy, because there's no actual retest for this level here, so there's definitely gonna be some kind of bounce. Definitely. Uh, for this as well, both of them are good. You know what's funny? What's really funny? I took a sell based on emotions. I took a sell here, right? Can you imagine? Can you can you imagine? Like, damn. And it was a really with a really big lot size as well. This price was over here when there was $100 in $200 in profit. No, 100. Yeah, 100. So if this is 100, let's say let's say 1 to 1, like, right? If this is 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 1400. Had I just left, there was I took two trades. I think the overall lot size was something like zero, like 4 mini lots. I think 0.45, something, I don't remember. Damn. Like, damn. The challenge would be passed. The evaluation would be passed. I would be on verification. So, but it didn't happen, unfortunately. Anyway, yeah. Looking for buys. Marking it up. USD CHF also at a very beautiful daily level. So USD is looking bullish right this week. So looking at divergences, wicks and stuff like that, I think it's gonna go up because it has been a pretty significant uptrend, right? Coming, I mean, come on, right? Price has to come down at some point. So there was a bounce from here, and the structure is still there. I mean, so I think there's definitely gonna be some kind of a move. Price is gonna have some kind of reaction here, so we'll keep an eye out. And I don't trade gold and Bitcoin, but Bitcoin on the Bitcoin has been on the topic lately at some people I'm following. So damn, price is like really good right now. I mean, from 6,900 to 1,600, 69,000 to 16,000. I mean, that's pretty cheap right now. So if I would have 16,000, I would actually buy one Bitcoin. But I have to trade forex to get there to have 16,000 because it's actually not hard. If you follow like Momo and Nick Sean, and I mean the explanations they give and the market structure they follow, it's like, damn, it's so simple. And Momo just got funded like 1 million. So, but yeah, this is my outlook for today. Uh, this is my outlook for this week, and yeah, I don't trade gold and Bitcoin right now, but who knows? I might get into some trades, and yeah, this is actually an idea from Nick Sean. So looking at the daily, there's a high probability that price is gonna have some kind of a bounce there, some kind of a move, right? And Bitcoin, I think it's gonna go a bit lower. It's gonna it's been consolidating, and I think we might get some kind of a break and retest here, and it's gonna keep on going lower, or the break and retest has already happened, and it's just gonna fall off a cliff. Who knows? So 13,000, definitely gonna be something happening here. I mean, that's yeah. something's definitely gonna happen there. So looking at Bitcoin at 13,000. So if there's gonna be, yeah, 13,000, I think it's gonna go there. So anyway, this video has been well over half an hour, I think. Hope the music wasn't too loud. Oh, actually, exactly half an hour. So I don't know if you got any value, hit like, subscribe, whatever. I'm not a, I'm actually feeling like a YouTuber right now. So yeah, uh, this is my outlook. I'm actually really glad I made it, and see you tomorrow because I will be uploading tomorrow because I made a commitment to myself, and I'm holding myself accountable. I'm leveraging the power of social media to hold myself accountable because if I say I'm gonna make a video tomorrow and I don't do it, then I'm full of shit, right? Uh, and actually, that's actually one good one idea I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about Momo and Justin Miller and Nick Sean and stuff like that, and why I think they have made it because they keep track of their trading right on social media, so they are holding themselves accountable. I don't know if they do it consciously or whatever. That's actually keeping them in check. Like they're selling their courses and they just can't fall off a wagon. Like I'm selling $1,000 course, but oops, I don't know how to trade, right? So they have to keep themselves in check all the time. They're leading their organization, right? There's some there's some accountability there. They can't just go on random blazing trades, blitzkrieg. I don't know. Ah, fuck it. I'll just throw 10 lots here. Maybe it will work out, right? So they have a responsibility, right? And that's what's keeping them in check, I think. So I'm giving myself responsibility to lead this YouTube channel. So and to take my business trading business uh, seriously right now. So I actually was really looking forward to making this video because I am actually feeling like I'm taking control of my trading business. So uh, yeah, see you on the next video. See you tomorrow. Bye guys.